If you are seeing thick black smoke pouring out of your exhaust and your engine temperature is climbing higher than it ever has before, you are likely dealing with a clogged or faulty diesel particulate filter system, specifically linked to code P2460. This code tells us that the powertrain control module has detected a low voltage signal from the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor B circuit. Think of your DPIFA as a massive lung for your diesel engine that is designed to trap 90% of the soot and carbon particles before they hit the atmosphere. As you drive, those particles build up and create back pressure, which the pressure sensor B monitors through high-temperature silicon hoses. When that pressure hits a specific limit, the computer triggers a regeneration process to burn off the soot and clear the filter. But if the sensor is sending a low signal, the computer has no idea how full the filter actually is. This can lead to a dangerous situation where the filter gets completely plugged up and chokes your engine or causes the transmission to overheat because the engine is working twice as hard to push exhaust gases through a brick wall. The first thing you should do is check those silicon supply hoses because they often melt or get clogged with carbon, which prevents the sensor from getting an accurate reading of the pressure. If the hoses are clear, you need to use a digital multimeter to test the sensor itself against the manufacturer's specifications for resistance. Many times, a simple exhaust leak before the sensor can also trigger this code because the pressure is escaping before the sensor can measure it, so listen closely for any hissing or ticking sounds from the exhaust manifold area. Correcting this is urgent because if you let a diesel particulate filter stay clogged for too long, you might be forced to replace the entire unit, which is one of the most expensive components on a modern diesel truck. So stay on top of your maintenance and ensure that regeneration cycle can happen as intended. NDD.